MATLAB offers a compact and usable workspace, which is useful for such a powerful program. In this movie, I will describe the workspace elements we'll use in this course. Depending upon your screen resolution, you might see a slightly different rendering of the screen. When you start MATLAB, you will be put into a command window, and in that command window, you can type commands. For example, if I wanted to assign a value to a variable, then I could say val1 equals 7 and enter, and I would get exactly that back. Over on the left, you will notice at the bottom left in the workspace that the variable val1 has the value assigned to it that I provided, which is 7. If you want to clear your screen or your entire workspace, then there are two commands that you can use for that. The first is clear, C-L-E-A-R. Typing that command and pressing enter will clear the workspace. If you only want to clear the command window, then you can type CLC, which will, as I said, clear the command window. Just above that, you can see the current folder. The current folder is the folder that contains the files that you're currently working with. In other words, if you want to run a script that is in a file, all you need to do is refer to it. You don't have to provide its pathway on your hard drive or on your network. You'll see the address of that folder in the address bar here, and this is what it will look like usually by default. In my case, I have a username of Kurt, and the MATLAB folder, the current folder, was put inside of Documents and then MATLAB. If you want to change the current folder, you can use the navigation tools here. So for example, if I wanted to go into my Documents folder, I could do that. Or if I wanted to change to a different user or a different drive, I could do that. It should be very familiar to any Windows user. The user interface uses a familiar ribbon tab format. You can see here on the Home tab, which is what we will use throughout this course, the ability to create a new script, a new live script. You can also create varieties of other new files that include script, but you can also do function, live function, class, and so on. If you do want to work with plots, and that would be graphs, that sort of thing, you can do so by clicking the Plots tab. There's currently nothing selected, no variable that you could use to create a plot, so all this is grayed out. At the top right corner, you will see Login. If you click Login, then you will be able to log in to your MathWorks account. So you can see here that you can log in, and that gives you access to online resources as well as MATLAB Online. In this case, I'll just go ahead and close out because I don't want to sign in. And that is a basic overview of the MATLAB user interface. It's very useful, and I think you'll find a lot of ways to work in it efficiently.